Philly D back, y'all. All right, I got another one real quick. I got this 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. I'm going to show y'all how to reset the maintenance light or any service message that you may get. Now I done already did the oil change, so I done already reset the light, so it may not let me reset it, but I'm just going to run y'all through and show y'all how it's done. So real quick, you got a push button right here, so we're going to hit that once. All right, we hit it once, and then you're going to come down to this pad. You're going to hold this back button for a couple seconds, and then you're going to tap this middle pad right here, not that button. All right, so then you're going to get this screen here. I hope y'all can see that. We're going to use this touchpad here to scroll down. As you can see, you got your brake pad, interval. You got different things. You want to hit on this assist plus. Click on that. Then it tells you to hit the ignition. Hit that once. Then the screen is going to turn to that. You can hit service data or full service. I'm just going to hit full service just to show y'all. You hit it. Then you pick which service you did. You can confirm which each service is. And you hit confirm service. Then it's going to ask you for your oil grade, whatever grades you're using. In my case, I did 229.52. Click on that. Then it says oil grade 229.52 carried out. You want to hit yes. Again, you use your pad and hit yes. Withdrawal not possible. So it's just saying that because I done already did it, and I'm going to show y'all that in a second. But you would hit confirm. It's not going to work, but that's because I already did it. But that's how you do the process to reset it. So we're going to go back out, and then I'm going to show you guys. Come in here. Hold on, let me get out. Then you come over here, use your pad, go to service, and then you can come down here to the same assist plus. I'm sorry. Go to assist plus. And now, as you can see, it's telling you service A is not due. Wow, that's a lot, 20,000 miles. But as you can see, now it's telling you my service is not due until that interval. I don't know what the interval was set on this, or what Mercedes got it preset at. I'm not sure. But before I did the oil change, it was saying I was like something 2,000 miles overdue or something like that on this truck. But y'all know the Amazon, we do Amazon trucks here, so they a bunch of Amazon drivers don't really report all the time when the oil change is due, but whatever. But yeah, guys, that's how you reset the oil light on one of these, or any service message light you may get. That's how you do it. But yeah, if you like the video, just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one.